Welcome to the How to Marvin video series. In this video, I will show you how to easily enhance your drawings with colors and highlights. Marvin features a dedicated coloring and highlighting tool, which can be found at the bottom of the toolbar and allows you to choose from a variety of colors. You can change the color of different elements like text, brackets or arrows, atoms or bonds at the same time without having to do it individually, by simply selecting everything you want to add the color to. The same principle applies to highlights, and you can easily switch between coloring and highlighting within the same tool. Simply choose a color and highlight text, bonds, atoms, or whole functional groups, or entire molecules by applying the selection. Both coloring and highlighting can be accessed by first selecting the entire element on the canvas. After the selection, the individual tools will appear on the toolbar on the top. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about Marvin, click the link below and enjoy more of our content.